protest over full restoration of statehood to Jammu and Kashmir. And this is now coming in with the former Chief Minister of the erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir, Farooq Abdullah, who seems to be raising the protest there as the NC chief is now leading this protest in the national capital, reaching the designated protest site, which is Delhi's Jantar Mantar. Even for the permission for the same demonstration has also not been granted. There you can see the pictures coming in where the National Conference has now stepped up its demand for the full restoration of statehood to Jammu and Kashmir. We spoke to Farooq Abdullah as well, and this is what he had to say.
So today, National Conference has taken this issue to National Capital on the restoration of full statehood. What would you like to speak on that?
You see, it was the Prime Minister of India and the Home Minister of India who assured us that first, delimitation will take place, election will take place, and following that, we will restore the statehood. And they said this in the Parliament. They said this to the Supreme Court. Now over 2 years are over, and he said it to the people of Jammu and Kashmir. ये मेरा वादा है. हम इन्हें सिर्फ वो वादा याद दिलाने आए हैं कि मेहरबानी करके statehood restore कीजिए, restore the statehood, so that the people can get their works done, state can progress, and state can move forward.
Sir, has there been any communication with the government so far on this particular issue?
We have. The Chief Minister has repeatedly met them, repeatedly has been assured, but nothing is on the ground. That is why we had to take this trouble in this heat to come to the capital, to tell them, for God's sake, you remember your promise to the people. Please fulfill that promise.
So today you are going to Jantar Mantar. What's the plan for how you are going to take the protest forward?
Our presence here is to tell them that we are here before you wanting justice for the people of Jammu and Kashmir.
Thank you so much. Thank you for speaking with Times Now.
Well, Shefali is also connected with us. Shefali, has the protest begun? We can see NC chief and patron Farooq Abdullah right there in the middle of protest, which again, no permission has been granted.
Right, Farooq Abdullah has reached the Jantar Mantar along with the party members, where they have gone inside. While we are reporting from outside, he has spoken to Times Now, saying that the issue is restoration of full statehood, and this is how the people of Jammu and Kashmir will get justice, while saying that the Narendra Modi government has been promising and has been on the same terms saying that this statehood will be given to the people of Jammu and Kashmir, while there have been many communication between both the parties, but yet no resolution has been so far found. So right now, as a symbol of protest, they are here in a form of symbolic protest. They are at Jantar Mantar, seeking putting their demand out and seeking justice, as he said, for the Jammu and Kashmir people.
All right. So full restoration has been the demand for statehood for Jammu and Kashmir. That is now being led by the NC patron Farooq Abdullah himself. We spoke to him exclusively. He's saying that reminding the government of the promises that has been made to them, and also what is being said that the Chief Minister was also expected to be a part of this. But meanwhile, he had to rush back to the Union Territory.